Love one another. Encourage one another. Carry one another's burden. At ICF, we don't do fellowship, we are fellowship. That's why we introduce Church Centre, our new app. It helps us with all the info you need, register for activities, and most importantly, to get in contact with each other. Let's go. After you've installed the app, you need to register. We have imported all the data from our previous administration system and gave everyone who was registered the right to connect. Enter your email or phone number here and check for a code. There is my name because it recognises my email address. Not now. Eureka! I'm in. As you can see at the bottom, there are several screens you can visit. Go ahead and check it out. But for now, let me explain the most important part. The directory. This is where you can share your contact information. You can look up a phone number, address, check a photo with a name, anything you need to keep in touch. If you find that you have no access, this means your email address or phone number are not in our administration yet. Then go to the home screen, click Welcome, and we will help you out. But if you do have access, there are two things we really need you to do. Firstly, check and update your info, and secondly, make it available for others. Use the little button in the upper right corner and then click on your name. Let me add a nice photo first. Now, check the rest of the info. You can change some things yourselves, but there are two minor bugs. Firstly, though your last name prefix like Van or Della is in our database, strangely enough it doesn't show here. Secondly, the program wants you to enter a state. To avoid this, I will just enter a space. Update, and yes, I'm up to date. If there's something you cannot correct like your birthday, please fill in the contact form at the home screen. Please change my year of birth. It should be 1466. Thank you. Compared to our previous system, this app is much stronger when it comes to privacy. You have full control over what is shared. Plus, only people we know will get access to the directory. We check the privacy policy of the organisation of the app, and it is very solid. They have no rights to sell or share your info, and the security of the database is constantly checked by an independent bureau. This also means that you are the only one who can make your info available to others. To make this app an invaluable instrument for fellowship, please let others be able to see your phone number, email, and address. You can click a Share Now in the directory screen and then share it. That's it, you are up and running. Now go ahead and see who is in the directory already. You can check their names, or you can check their households. Please enjoy the new app and have a lot of fellowship.